Hi guys, welcome to Dropship Kickstart. We're still at day 41. It's day number 3 of the retreat, and we drove with the whole group in 2 buses to they call it the sticky waterfall. You can see it in the background. So it's some white mineral, and it's not slippery at all. We can just walk up there, and yeah, we're in the middle of the jungle. It's really beautiful out here. Everyone's really happy and excited. You can see the whole group up there. I'm just giving you a shot. Boom. Ocean, how do you like that?
Larissa!
Woo! So yeah, that's all part of the retreat, which is pretty cool. We're not only learning amazing stuff, we're even exploring amazing places. Are you going down?
Good. No, we're going up.
Really?
The whole time. It's only a rope to go.
Hey Anton, say hi!
Slippery this, so if I put that up on that high one, right next to you, where your right hand is? Yeah. That's not slippery. You gotta throw your leg up. John!
Well done, mate.
There you go. You know, you don't believe it. You don't believe it.
No, sticky waterfall now.
Did
you believe me?
You climbed up a waterfall.
You believe me when I told you?
Yeah, I did, but I mean...
That is so cool. We have so much fun up here, man. You can just run up and down there as if it would be nothing, and it's a freaking waterfall and it's steep. That's where the sticky waterfall comes from.